How to manage shopping notifications on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage shopping notifications on Google Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and now click settings, and then you will find this one here, notifications. Click on it and then click notifications again, and then go down and you will find this one here, shopping. If you want to turn it off, just one click, and as you see, shopping has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.